Number 3, it's a very important. Use a decimal point to write each amount of money in dollars and cents. Welcome to Saad Educare, starting a new video of Cambridge Primary Mathematics Learners Book 3. Last episode we have finished 1 and 2. This episode we are starting number 3. So first we have to count. Look, this is $10, $10 and $10. So we can write this is $10, 10 plus 10, right? Then here is mentioned quarter dollar. What does mean quarter dollar? Quarter dollar means 25 cent. So here is 25 cent, here is also 25 cent, and here is $10, $10 and $10, right? And last one is 1 cent. So use a decimal point to write each amount. Use decimal point. Write each amount of money in dollars and cent. So look, dollar here is $30, right? $30. And how about cent? 25 cent plus 25 cent plus 25 cent plus 1 cent. Here is 76 cents. So this one, $30 and 76 cent, we can write two way. Number 1, this is $30 and 76 cent, or by using decimal point we can write like $30 and 76 cent. This is our answer, and this one also our required answer. So anything you can use, but here is mentioned use a decimal point, right? Next, here is $20, so we can write here 20, 20, 20 and 20. So once we make summation, here is total $80, because 20 plus 20 plus $20 plus $20, and finally it has $80. Now next one, here is quarter dollars. It means 25 cent, right? 25 cent, 25 cent and 1 dime. What does mean 1 dime? Here we can make a note for you. 1 dime, it means 10 cent, or we can say $0.10 is a similar thing. So we can write here 10 cent, here is also 10 cent, 10 cent, and here is mentioned, it's not clear, but in book you can see here is a 5 cent, here is a 5 cent, and here is a 5 cent. Now we can make summation. So 25 cent plus 25 cent plus 10 cent plus 10 cent plus 10 cent plus 5 cent plus 5 cent plus 5 cent. So here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So be careful about this one. 25 plus 25 is a 50, and here is a 10 10 10 is a 30. 50 plus 30, and here is 5 5 5 is a 15. So here is 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 1 is a 9. So we can say our answer is 95 cent. But if we use decimal, we can write $0.95. Very simple, right? So don't worry about this one. Next one, here is, it's not clear, but here is you can see 5 cent, right? I hope it's much better. So here is 5 cent, this one is 2 cent, and here is 1 cent. So 5 plus 2 plus 1 is a 8 cent. It's a 8 cent, and this one we can write 0.08 dollar. It means 8 cent, right? So we already discussed lots of things in this episode. Next episode we will discuss much more important thing, like some children visit the school shop, the price of each item is shown. So these kinds of thing and what problem we will discuss next episode. This episode I would like to stop here. Please subscribe my channel because I'm trying to solve whole book based on Cambridge Primary Mathematics Learners Book. What? This is 3. Okay, so no more today. Thank you very much being with me. Thank you.